Welcome to Bike Lane, your go-to channel for the latest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the legendary return of a true powerhouse, the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. After years of anticipation, Kawasaki has brought back one of the most iconic cruisers ever made, and it's bigger and bolder than before. A modern legend reborn. The Vulcan 2000 made history as the largest production V-twin motorcycle, and for 2026, Kawasaki has stayed true to its roots while embracing the future. The new model features a massive 2,053 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, refined for smoother power delivery and even more torque. This bike is built for riders who crave brute strength wrapped in classic cruiser styling. Performance and ride. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the Vulcan's chassis, adding a new lightweight frame that improves handling without sacrificing the bike's signature solid feel. Enhanced suspension, updated braking systems with ABS, and a 6-speed transmission ensure a ride that's both powerful and surprisingly nimble for a bike this size. Whether cruising the highway or dominating the city streets, the Vulcan 2000 delivers unmatched performance. Styling and features. The 2026 Vulcan 2000 doesn't just ride better, it looks better too. The design is a masterclass in classic cruiser aesthetics, broad fenders, a sculpted tank, and heavy chrome accents. A modern full-color TFT display, smartphone connectivity, and optional heated grips and seats bring comfort and technology into the mix without disrupting the Vulcan's timeless appeal. Final thoughts. Kawasaki's 2026 Vulcan 2000 is more than just a comeback, it's a statement. It's a machine for riders who want raw power, bold style, and modern refinement, all in one legendary package. Whether you're a longtime fan or discovering the Vulcan for the first time, this bike demands attention and promises an unforgettable ride. Thanks for tuning into Bike Lane. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay with us for more motorcycle news and reviews. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.